Welcome to Toyota's digital press conference. After the introduction, you will be able to view the information modules that are of interest to you. If you would like a copy of the digital press kit, just click on the download link on the microsite. We hope that you find this format convenient and informative.
At the Paris Motor Show this year, Toyota in Europe demonstrates how it's reinforcing its foundations and prepares for future growth. What are the building blocks of our DNA? Firstly, quality, durability and reliability have always been part of Toyota's DNA and will remain our firm commitment to you and to our customers. Second, for more than 20 years we have developed, improved and democratized our self-charging hybrid technology. Customers love the smooth, quiet and efficient performance of hybrid. We are only exhibiting hybrid vehicles in Paris, from the compact Yaris to the new generations of Corolla and RAV4 and the all-new Camry hybrid that will be introduced into Europe next year. With over 45 million sold since 1966, Corolla is the world's best-selling car. The new generation Corolla will be available in 3 body styles: hatchback, wagon and sedan. Its strong exterior and interior design and its driving dynamics are the right offer for today's progressive market. Third, together with hybrid technology, Toyota's new global architecture, or TNGA, forms the solid basis of our new product and powertrain offer. More than a platform, TNGA is an engineering and the design philosophy. While improving the driving dynamics of our cars, it also allows the development of exterior and interior designs with stronger emotional appeal. With more than 2 million hybrid vehicles sold in Europe to date, hybrid technology is and will remain our key differentiating technology. In the first 8 months of the year, hybrid models represent 47% of total Toyota sales in Europe and 53% in Western Europe. This is more than any other region in the world. We realize that the automotive industry is entering a once-in-a-century transformation, and we are preparing for it. Thanks to Toyota Connected Europe, connectivity and mobility services will be progressively provided to our European customers. It is in the context of ever better mobility for all that Toyota has become the worldwide mobility partner of the Olympic and Paralympic Games. Please discover our Start Your Impossible module, inspired by the relentless efforts of our Olympic and Paralympic athletes. Finally, to rejuvenate and further strengthen the Toyota brand, we are reintroducing iconic sports models such as the new Toyota Supra. Our sports models are underpinned by the successes of Toyota Gazoo Racing in both the World Endurance Championship, including Le Mans, and the World Rally Championship. Thank you for your attention. Our team is ready to be contacted should you need any further information.